What's up, guys? Welcome back to another install video. We are getting so close. We're so close. We're so close to having the suspension done, and then the car will finally be done and safe and solid, and just no more problems. Please, no more problems. I want to drive. So we're almost done with all the problems. So today, as you can tell by the title of this video, we're installing a new wheel hub, because if you don't know, we had to use a big ol' torch to get this axle bolt loose. Actually, it was the old one. This is a new bolt, but I had to take it to the shop so they could torch it. And if you don't know, when you torch it, right here, there's a wheel bearing in here, and if you torch it, you have to replace that wheel bearing. And it was something I knew I had to do, so we did it because I spent 5 days trying to get it off and broke a lot of breaker bars, and it was dumb. So now we gotta replace the wheel hub, and then we have to replace sway bar bushings. And then from what I've seen, because I've had the car jacked up for a couple days now and been checking it out, that seems like it's it. I'm praying that is it. So today we're gonna try to get this install video done in one day, in one night, because it's like 5 o'clock. So let's hope we can get this done tonight. But like normal things on this channel, we don't get that luxury. Most of the time we don't get things done in one try. So here's to it. Whoop. So I've got to put the wheel back on, lower it so I can break the axle bolt loose, and then jack it back up. Which is counterintuitive, but that's what I gotta do. Let's get it. I was just thinking, why is he using a small ratchet for an axle nut? I broke my breaker bars, so we have to use this for now. Yeah, we did it! Woo. I don't let over my pants. There's one greasy boy. Okay, so in case you guys are wanting to know the measurements here, the axle bolt is a 24 mil. The ball joint is a 16 millimeter. And there's 3 of them, so we're just gonna get those done real quick. Okay, so I've got the 3 bolts out of the ball joint, so I can disconnect the lower control arm, but I need to disconnect the rotor first. So for this, if you guys are still needing the size, I'm using a T45 hex bolt or hex socket, and there's just these 2 bolts in the back of the rotor. A little tight. So I've never taken a rotor off, so this is a new moment for me. It's kind of scary, kind of exciting. There's so many things happening. They've got these little tabs covering the bolts. Actually, thank God they have these tabs covering the bolt. Keeps them from rusting and getting seized, because that would be a pain in the booty cheeks. Same thing on the bottom here. And if you have an A3, you'll be able to see which ones I'm talking about. Okay, that's the wrong way. This is the smoothest an install's gone so far. This is great. Let's hope I don't jinx myself. Okay, so I just learned something, so this is cool. So, let me see. So there's two little on the back of the rotor. You'll see there's two little ones that are covered with those tabs. You take those tabs off, those are T45. Well, also disconnect the rotor from the knuckle. You need a 21 mil, and there's one at the top and one at the bottom. You'll have to move, I believe this is a passenger airbag sensor. I could be wrong, but just have to disconnect this so you can get to the top bolt, and then the rotor should disconnect in theory. Oh, let's see where that tower's gonna be. Woo! So let that hang out there for a second. Ta-da! Ta-da! I don't know if I'm supposed to take all of it off or just a certain part of it, but it's all off now. Woo! Okay, we're almost there. There's a little tiny, bring you guys over. A little tiny bolt right here. So we're gonna undo this, and then we're gonna slide everything out from the lower control arm. I gotta undo the tie rod that you guys can't see. So I gotta undo the tie rod in that's right here, simple bolt. And then should be able to turn it and get the 5 bolts on the back out. So wish us luck. Whew. Oh wow, that's actually really heavy. That's cool. I've never done this. This is so exciting. Woo! Alright, I'll put this in a good place. So I'm kind of holding up the caliper to the stand right here. I have to do the tie rod in, which is on the other side. It's an 18 millimeter bolt. Actually, I'm just pushing the other side. This way you guys can see a bit better about what's going on here. So here's the tie rod. Still can't see, you can see back behind here. It's an 18, so just have to break that loose. A lot of things are gonna fall, but that's okay. So we're here for a good time, a long time. I wanted to update you guys. My camera died apparently, and somehow the card's full. But we got the old hub out. As you can see, it's pretty bad. This whole thing's just torched, and also it shifts. That's not supposed to happen. So it's a good thing we're replacing the whole thing instead of just the bearings. Yeah, no bueno. If you guys want to see what this looks like without the hub here, that's what that looks like. I know it's still kind of dark, but yeah, all rusted out. So I'll clean this up a bit, and then we'll put the new one in. Okay, just to kind of give you guys an idea, here's the old one. You can see just how destroyed and crappy this is. Here's the new one, all bright, beautiful, and ready to go. It's yeah, quite the difference. Should be able to feel it. But yeah, we're almost done, boys. Hey guys, so it is now the next day. I actually drove the Audi, which we're in right now. I drove it to work and back, which is like 40 minutes each way. So everything is super solid. The car feels great. It feels so much smoother. Now all we have left is just those sway bar bushings. So I know my camera died sometime throughout me filming. I'm not sure where at this point because I haven't edited the footage. So hopefully it got enough footage to like show you guys exactly what was going on, how to repair all of that. So everything's super solid. We just need those bushings, and then we can finally start getting some mods going here. And I've got a lot of cool stuff lined up. Things are gonna happen. I'm really excited for this. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have anything you wish I would have done in the video before the camera died, if you have any thoughts, pointers, anything, let me know in the comments below, or maybe guess at what the next mod's gonna be for the car down below. Try that. Let's see who can get that right. But like this video, subscribe to it, guys, so we can grow, we can do more cool things. I'll see you guys in the next video.